Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a code library inside of Survey Crew. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm on my main menu in the Project tab. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to locate my code library option. Now you can see here that my code library is currently set to none because I don't have one selected. So what I'm going to need to do is on the right side of the screen, there's that pencil and page icon, and I'm going to need to click on that. And from within this menu, I can either import a code library or create or edit an existing one. But as I said, I want to make a new one here. So I'm going to click on Add and give my code library a name. In my case, I'm going to get very original with the naming here and call it a code library. Once the name's set here, you can now see that I have the name and an associated serial number, which is just an identifier. So if I back out of this menu here, I can now select it from the dropdown, and I'm ready to continue adding to my code library and create it to however I so desire. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you create a code library in GeoMeasures Survey Crew. And if you have a moment, I please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.